Did you begin withdrawing your Social Security retirement benefits recently, but now you think, I should have waited? There's good news for you if you just started receiving your retirement benefits within the last 12 months. You can ask for a do-over. So let's look at this just a little bit more carefully. Why would you want to stop your Social Security retirement benefits? Maybe, just maybe, you were forced to draw your Social Security retirement benefits because you needed a temporary income. Or maybe you looked at your situation and you realized that you made a timing mistake on your withdrawals. If either of these describe you, you can request a voluntary suspension of your retirement benefits. Now, there are a few requirements. First, you must go to ssa.gov and search for the withdrawal application form. Complete the form and send it or take the form to your local Social Security office. Number two, you have to pay back all of the benefits that you've received so far. Now, by delaying your benefits, you could increase your benefits from 62 to your full retirement age, which is probably 66 or 67. So in a nutshell, you could increase your income by as much as 30%. So if you feel that you've made a mistake in beginning your Social Security retirement benefits, maybe you should consider withdrawing your application. I'm Van Richards, and thanks for listening to today's Social Security tip.